Yo, man, I killed that, didn't I? Man, I killed that. Ooh, I could barely talk and I'm over here trying to sing. And now it's time to blow dry the wig. Okay, I probably need to brush it again too. So let's go on ahead and do that. I like wearing this wig because it gives me longer straight hair. Even though it ain't mine. I just like the way it looks, especially in videos and pictures. But I don't like the front of it because I'm cheap. I can't afford that good front baby hair looking wig, so I just keep reusing the same wig. So this is what I got to do. I like having different wigs. It's just, it gets so expensive. Like, oh my God, it gets blah. Whenever I don't wash it, I have to section it, but because it's been washed, it's already straight. I just have to get the kinks out, the tangles. I like to do the chase method with my wig because it gets them tangles. Gets them tangles. I didn't blow dry this section long enough, but I be getting tired, shoot. Everybody trying to sit up here and blow dry for no goddamn 30 minutes. See, I feel like that's good enough for me. Whenever I start recording the videos tomorrow, I'll flat iron it again because it's a wig. I can do that. Put on my Superman. Fabulous, darling. It looks better than it did in the beginning, am I right? Yes, am I right? Yes, yes, I know, darling. I know.